Protect your Audi with the Scorpion S7 tracker, a Thatcham category, a 7 insurance-approved vehicle tracking system. It includes access to the Scorpion app and optional driver recognition via smartphone. The system is monitored 24/7 by Scorpion with guard and recover across mainland UK and full nationwide support from UK police forces. Using advanced 4-way tracking, mesh, GPS and GSM, it can track your vehicle even underground or inside concealed containers. It features a built-in motion sensor, internal backup battery and anti-signal jamming technology, meaning it remains fully operational, even against GPS and GSM signal jammers. Installation is carried out nationwide at your home or workplace by a Scorpion-approved engineer, and it's compatible with all vehicles and hired assets. You also get tracking coverage across the whole of Europe, and it's accepted by major insurance companies. Subscription options are flexible, £12.49 per month, or save with plans from £139 per year, up to a lifetime option of £499.